The flooding in Idaho Falls May 23rd left a lot of homes damaged, with insurance companies denying claims. The city is in the same situation with the Civic Auditorium. After the flooding, the city staff found more than 5 feet of water had breached the outside door and flowed into the facility basement and bathrooms. The claim was denied by the city's insurance as an act of God. The flood mitigation costs came to more than $123,000. The Civic Orchestra pit lift itself was also damaged. The replacement cost will be $232,000. The Idaho Falls City Council is voting on both repair costs at tonight's meeting.